Azka from Indonesia.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Alaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Sheikh, my question is how to know when it's the right time to bring our sons or younger family members who hasn't reached maturity to the Jama'ah prayer in Masjid.
The Prophet ﷺ said that we have to instruct our children, boys and girls, to pray when they are 7, and to beat them up, spank them when they are 10 if they refuse to pray. So 3 years, from 7 till 10, every day we instruct them, we call them, we encourage them to come and pray without any reprimanding or punishment. 5 times a day, 360 days a year, 3 years. So before 7, the age of 7, we do not order them, we do not encourage them, we do not say anything to them. If we're going to pray and they want to join by themselves, yeah, we can do that. And we can also say, no, you're still young, so that they become enthusiastic, waiting for the day that they would be allowed to come and pray like grown-ups. So this might be better. But if you call your child to pray when he's 4, and I've seen some folks giving hijab to girls who are 5 or 6 and ordering them to pray and to stand up with them in prayer, that is not the right thing to do. Because after a year, after a few months, the child will be fed up. And when it's time for them to pray, when they're 7, they've already tried it and they did not like it, so they would not be compliant to do it. And that would cause a lot of difficulties. Let them marinate, wanting to pray, but you say, no, you're still young, until they're 7, then let them hit the ground running, and Allah knows best.